My name is Katrina Boyd, and we're going to do lesson 1, problem 1. Find the equation of the tangent line to the parabola y equals x squared at the point 3, 9. We can draw a graph and label it 1, 2, 3. So when I do our graph, it'll look like this. Because when x equals 1, y equals 1 squared. When x equals 2, y equals 2 squared. And when x equals 3, y equals 3 squared. And our parabola will look like that. And we will label the point P 3, 9. And then Q would be x, x2. Which also could be labeled as x1, y1, x2, y2. All right, we're also going to look for the slope. And the slope will be a y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or m equals delta y over delta x. Okay, when we plug those numbers in, your slope looks like this. M equals y squared minus 9 over x minus 3. That y squared minus 9 can be factored out with the Pythagorean theorem. A squared minus b squared times a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we can factor that out into x minus 3 and x plus 3 over x minus 3. These two will cancel out, which equals x plus 3. So your slope equals 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then we will factor that into the equation of y equals y1 plus m. Let me delete that part right there. Okay, y equals y1 plus the slope of m times x minus x1. We factor those numbers in. Y equals 9 plus 6 because the y1 will come from here. And the slope, which is 6 right here, times x minus 3. When you factor that out, it equals 9 plus 6x minus 18. Subtract the 9. Y equals 6x minus 9. And that will be your equation for the parabola y equals x squared at the point 3, 9.